Hi, my name is Master Agon, and I have with me today Andre Agon, and we're with Perfect Balance. Today's segment is about the physical and psychological factors necessary for success in close combat. The most important thing is you have to have the mindset for self-preservation. It's you've got to get yourself out of the jam. So we're gonna go over some mindset mentality, okay, if to make sure that you've got your head on right. First of all, that person should not be touching you or attacking you. Get his hands off you. Look for immediate areas where you're safe, okay? You want to always think about what are your safe space. Let's call it 3 feet. That 3 feet area, it is your safe space. No one should ever walk into that area. So once that happens, we're going to show you some really fun things to put together your mindset with the actual self-defense part. Okay, so from here, Mr. Agon, Andre. Okay, so from here, we're going to turn around and all of a sudden, you're going to grab me around. Okay, ready? Grab. Again, same thing. Grab. Okay, ready? Do it one more time. Grab. Again. So therefore, this is to show you the mindset that no one should ever touch you. Number 2, just something fun, sort of fun. Okay, so now I'm going to grab Mr. Agon. Again, it's maybe something typical of maybe an abduction of a young lady into a car. You don't want to be abducted, so therefore, it's a frontal grab. So what is he doing is the fact that he's using both hands. Notice I'm grabbing him high. Both hands to remove the moment that he touches me underneath, I'm going to let go. So one more time. And then another one is that he uses his head to release. Very good. Again, my name is Master Agon with Andre Agon with Perfect Balance Martial Arts, where we truly train body, mind, and spirit. I look forward to the next segment with you. Thank you so much.